Welcome back to Car Beast. Today, we're diving into one of the most rugged, reliable, and iconic SUVs in India, the Mahindra Bolero. Known for its tough build, no-nonsense performance, and excellent durability, the Bolero has been a favorite for rural and semi-urban buyers for decades. But in 2024, does it still make sense to buy one, or are there better options? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. And if you love detailed car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The 2024 Mahindra Bolero sticks to its classic boxy design, with a bold front grille, squared-off halogen headlamps, a high ground clearance of 180 mm, and strong body lines. It's built like a tank, making it perfect for rough Indian roads and off-road conditions. While it may not have modern styling like other SUVs, its tough and simple design is what makes it so popular. Under the hood, the Bolero comes with a single diesel engine option. 1.5 L Mach 75 diesel, producing 75 PS and 210 Nm, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This BS6 compliant diesel engine is known for its strong low-end torque, excellent fuel efficiency of around 16 to 18 km/h, and long-term reliability. The rear-wheel drive setup and rugged suspension make it perfect for handling bad roads, rural terrains, and heavy loads with ease. Inside, the Mahindra Bolero offers a simple and functional cabin. The focus is on durability and practicality rather than luxury. The dashboard is basic but ergonomic, with a digital instrument cluster, manual AC, and fabric upholstery. Some key features include power windows, keyless entry, Bluetooth-enabled music system, front and rear armrests. On the safety front, Mahindra has added essential features like dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength steel body frame. While it may not have ADAS or high-tech safety features, it's still a solid and durable SUV for Indian roads. The driving experience of the Bolero is what makes it legendary. The high seating position, strong suspension, and torquey diesel engine make it ideal for rural areas, bad roads, and carrying heavy loads. However, for city driving, it might feel a bit basic and old-school compared to modern SUVs. So, is the Mahindra Bolero worth buying in 2024? If you're looking for a tough, reliable, and highly durable SUV that can handle rough roads with ease, the Bolero is still one of the best choices. However, if you want more comfort, features, and a modern look, you might want to consider the Mahindra Bolero Neo or Scorpio N. What do you think about the Mahindra Bolero? Would you pick it over the Bolero Neo, Thar, or Scorpio Classic? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Beast for more in-depth car breakdowns. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.